Namaste. A warm welcome to Viveka School of Excellence, Sargur. The pursuit of excellence is a constant journey and we try to improve it every day. Swami Vivekananda Youth Movement's journey started with a group of medicos led by Dr. R. Balasubramaniam, inspired by Swami Vivekananda, decided to serve the marginalized and displaced tribal communities living in HD Kote and Sargur taluks. Today, the organization has the strength of 800 plus members acting as a nationwide network developing human and social capital to build a resurgent India. It is working in different sectors like education, health, and socio-economic empowerment program. We believe that quality education is affordable. We mobilize donations for the capital expenses while the local community pays for running the school. We want that education by which character is formed, the strength of the mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. Swami Vivekananda. With the same vision as Swami Vivekananda envisaged, Viveka School of Excellence took its birth in the year 2002 to provide quality education at an affordable cost for the rural children of HD Kote and Sargur taluks, which is situated near the boundary of Nagarhole National Forest and on the basin of river Kabini. Sargur is located 60 kilometers away from the city of Mysore. Over the past 18 years, we have fervently engaged our learners with child-centric, value-based, activity-oriented with the experiential environment integrated with technology. Proudly, we can say that our journey so far has been tremendously enriching. Till date, Viveka School of Excellence is the only school affiliated to CBSE in the radius of 45 kilometers around Sargur Taluk. Our school is located with a lush, green, serene atmosphere with 45,000 square meters of land, starting with the vehicle parking for staff and students, followed by security booth with 2 securities along with the CCTV camera focusing the entrance of the school. The school is surrounded by 6 feet height concrete boundary wall. We have a wide assembly area in front of the school where students from grade 1 to 10 assemble for prayer in the morning. The built-up area of the school is 16,600 square meters. School has 9,800 square meters of playground, which consists of throwball, volleyball, kabaddi, kho, basketball, 200 meters track, long jump and high jump pit, shot put, javelin and discus throw areas. All the sports materials are provided by the school, and the students are encouraged to participate in various sports and games. This is the picture of Worli art, which depicts and represents the student background and emotions. These lines are from Gitanjali by Rabindranath Tagore. It is considered as the anthem of our school. This picture represents the multiple intelligence given by Gardner. This shows how we implement it in our school. The role of the teacher is to cater the need of these areas of intelligence. This is the principal's chamber. Attached to it is the vice principal's chamber, which consists of CCTV monitoring system. Adjacent to it is the administrative office and staff room. Our school children address the teachers as Anna and Akka, meaning brother and sister, instead of sir and madam, respectively. It reduces the gap between teachers and students. It enhances good relationship between student and teachers and empowers the family atmosphere even in the school. One of the important stakeholders of the school is parent. Their involvement starts from the admission committee, as judges of co-curricular activities, cultural programs during school day, Shramadan, even in teaching and learning process like classroom observation and taking classes. As a part of Joy of Giving, every Thursday our school children voluntarily put 1 rupee into the box which is kept in front of the office. The money collected will be used at the end of the academic year to donate the needy people in orphanages, home for the aged, or support service staff in our school. Our children maintain a student mart to get the experience of business, finance management, and ownership of belongingness and dignity of labor. The investment for this mart will be by the school. Since Sargur and HD Kote taluks is surrounded by tribal community, our school provides 10% reservation for tribal community from grade 1 to 5. As per the government norms, RTE students are also admitted in our school. To bring awareness of general election and administration among students, we have Student Council, which is formed in the beginning of every academic year. They will be involved in all school activities with the guidance of the principal. The time between 10:40 to 10:42 am is dedicated to observe silence by everyone in the school. By doing so, we will allow positive energy to enter in and we will know our potential in ourselves. Science labs function as a resource center supporting over 70 government schools in the locality through the mobile science lab. Our organization runs 10 mobile science lab along with a mobile planetarium. We have well equipped physics laboratory with safety measures. The lab is spread over 850 square feet, enabling students to perform lab activities in small group of 4 to 5. We are privileged to have the equipment which helps to demonstrate Newton's second law with us. Equipments have been arranged theme-wise: mechanics, optics, electromagnetism, and so on. All the precautionary measures are taken for the safety of students while conducting practical classes. Stock register has been maintained. 20 students can easily perform the experiment, each at a time, under the supervision of the lab instructor. We do have well-equipped chemistry laboratory with safety measures. The lab is spread across 850 square feet, enabling students to perform the lab activities in small groups of 4 to 5. We are fortunate to have sophisticated equipments like oven, fume cupboard with exhaust fans. Gas cylinders are kept outside the building with the central control of LPG. Chemicals have been arranged in alphabetical order. Twenty students can easily perform the experiment, each at a time under the supervision of the lab instructor. All the precautionary measures are taken for the safety of students while conducting practical classes. Stock register has been maintained. We also have well-furnished biology laboratory with safety measures. The lab is spread across 850 square feet, enabling students to perform the practical activities in small groups of 4 to 5. It has latest microscopes, required specimens, and slides to demonstrate it to students. All the precautionary measures are taken for the safety of students while conducting practical classes. Stock register has been maintained. 20 students can easily perform the experiment each at a time under the supervision of the lab instructor. So, to uplift the schools in our community, both physical and human resources of our school are made available to different schools of HD Kote and Sargur taluks. Many government and private schools are availing this opportunity to enrich the knowledge of the students. Our computer lab, with all safety measures spread along with 850 square feet, has 32 desktops installed with open source Linux operating system, 12.3 Education Edition with educational softwares and applications which helps all grade students and teachers for all subject related applications. So our lab is with high speed internet facility and modern facilities along with the instructional boards, logbook for teachers and students, and also stock register are maintained. 30 students can work at a time. We help students learn how to use computers through projects, seminar in different subjects. We do have projector which is mounted in the computer lab, which can be used as audiovisual center also. We have language lab, which consists of 3 language basic books, English, Hindi and Kannada, charts and 10 tabs which have pre-installed language applications which inculcate the learning deeply inside the student, and we do have maintained stock register in this lab. Mathematics lab is used by children to enhance their knowledge through experiential learning by using the materials like 3D Shapes Kit, which helps in visualization of both 2D and 3D geometrical objects, rings of theorems to demonstrate the different concepts of circles, charts, books, and 10 tabs which have pre-installed math applications, which include the learning deeply inside the student, and we have maintained stock register. Viveka School of Excellence has a vast and full-fledged library. It is very much useful for teachers, students and community to enrich their knowledge in various aspects. The special features of this library are: it has a source for science, maths, literature, physical education, technology, medicine, community related sources, and charts of various subjects. A unique feature of our school is the classroom library. We can also see the book hospital, where the children themselves repair the torn out books. Birthday corner is filled with books donated by children on their birthdays. Book for a book corner for teachers and parents. Teachers are also encouraged to enrich their knowledge by their book talks. It also contains 4,790 books. Among these, 2,300 are reference books. It also contains daily newspapers of multilingual, science letters, magazines, storybooks, maps, board games, and CDs related to rhymes, kids' stories, freedom fighters, geographical features, devotional songs, music, yoga, meditation, and health. It is always open for the community after the school hours. We have clean and well maintained separate washrooms both for boys and girls. A separate washroom for Divyang children is also maintained. It has continuous water supply with windows, exhaust fans and lighting. Wash basins are outfitted with hand wash. Washrooms will be cleaned thrice a day. We have RO unit and water dispensers in our school. It will be serviced periodically. Water will be tested internally every month. It has been certified with water and sanitation certificate. Our organization, Swami Vivekananda Youth Movement, runs an exclusive department of WASH, Water and Sanitation Health, under its community health activities. Regular sessions on water sanitation and personal hygiene are conducted with the support of that department. We have 6 fire extinguishers in the ground floor and 5 in the first floor. In total, we have 11 fire extinguishers. Fire order has been displayed near each fire extinguisher. Teachers are given training to use fire safety equipments by Fire Safety Department. We do have multiple exits at appropriate locations and ramp in our school. Coming to our classrooms, we have 19 classrooms. For primary, we have big classrooms, we have 8. For middle, we have 6 classrooms. For secondary and senior secondary, we have 5 classrooms. All classrooms are spacious, furnished with the necessary materials like benches, table, board, notice board, cupboards, etc. We have teacher, subject, general and language corners in lower grades. Things related to class teacher and subject teachers will be maintained in Teacher's Corner. Books related to languages taken by the student of that particular class will be maintained in Language Corner. In General Corner, books related to general knowledge and other related books will be maintained. In Subject Corner, books related to mathematics, science, and social science will be maintained. Other than classrooms, we have separate yoga room with separate carpets for each student to do yoga. One yoga period is allotted for each class from grade 6 to 10 under the supervision of physical education teachers. Yoga room is also used as wellness rooms in times of need. Sports room is maintained by our physical education teachers. It contains sports related materials like volleyball, basketball, throwball, nets, badminton rackets, carom boards, chess, dumbbells, lesemes, etc. Bus portico will be used for playing badminton, and we also use it during programs of our school. Our Science Exploratory Park started functioning from 2014. It was funded by KSTEPS Karnataka, that is Karnataka State Science and Technology Department funded. This model has now been replicated by the state government in 23 remote locations across the state and also even in Jamshedpur by Tata Steel. This park has science equipments related to concepts in physics. Park helps the learner to develop interests in science and technology, and also it facilitates the learning of the basic science concepts in a playway manner. At present, we have 90 types of equipments. These equipments are designed based on the science concepts present in the elementary, high school, and one classroom science curriculum, which are arranged theme-wise. Each equipment has questions in bilingual form, both in Kannada and English. It directs the learning, which will be achieved through finding the answers to the given question by hands-on experiment. The Science Park is being utilized by the students of Mysore, HD Kote and Sargur, both private and government school students along with their teachers to experience the exploratory park of our school to enrich their knowledge to the maximum extent. The students will be given the initial introduction followed by self-exploration according to the theme. At the end, exploration ends with discussion and debriefing of concepts related to science. On an average, 3,000 students visit our Science Exploratory Park every year. Viveka School of Excellence has taken an initiative to support the overall development of a child through a program called Introduction to Basic Technology, IBT, to enhance future career options for higher primary and secondary school students by inculcating healthy values related to work culture and dignity of labor. The objective of this IBT program is to familiarize the basic tools and technologies that are important in our day-to-day life, to educate our school students on the importance and benefits of vocational training, which helps the students to develop vocational interest, attitude, and self-exploration, which in turn facilitates the beneficiaries to get into appropriate career that matches their interest and skills. The IBT program is designed to progress through a structured curriculum which includes electrical, welding, grinding, cutting, threading, and basic automobile repair. It also takes into account electrical, mechanical, and electronic aspects for the respective classes from grade 6 to 10. The school follows inclusiveness in the education we provide. So we have trained facilitators to facilitate children with special needs and learning atmosphere for inclusive education. Viveka School of Excellence has started classes for differently abled children in a resource center. For these classes, teachers are trained in inclusive education. This program was initiated by visiting many government and private schools and also the community, informed them about the resource center and got admissions for the classes. At present, We have 10 students in this program. We have classes for 2 days per week for them, mainly focusing on language and mathematics. The school has a community radio station, Janadvani, to educate our children and community. Children use this platform to showcase their talents, participating in various programs like quiz, debates, etc. Our children and teachers take part in the radio programs. The school has school management committee consisting of 13 members, which includes students representative from grade 10, external experts, principals of JNV and KV, parent and teacher representatives. Air Commodore R.N. Jayasimha, Director of SVYM, is the chairperson of our SMC committee. We call meeting with SMC and have educative discussions twice in a year. Viveka School of Excellence is collaborative with departments like Patan Panchayat, Mysore Sahodaya School Complex, KSRTC, and our own sister institutions like Viveka Tribal Center for Learning. It's a state board affiliated school for tribal education for tribal children, and Viveka Teachers Training and Research Center, a college for elementary teacher education. Viveka's Scholar Program and School Education Program, where children from economically backward students can get coaching classes from resource persons. We have part-time counselors from Vivekananda Memorial Hospital, Sargur. Yearly twice we have meetings, counseling in need of time, and also they address the adolescent problems followed by medical checkups. At Viveka School of Excellence, we give importance to co-curricular activities also. Every week, 2 periods are allotted for co-curricular activities, which includes sports, literary and cultural activities. We have 5 electives for the students like Bharatanatyam, Tabla, music, arts and crafts and karate for students of grade 1 to grade 10. Every week, 2 periods are allotted for electives during school hours. And all the students will be in one of these electives which will cater to their hobbies. As per mentioned in the academic calendar, our school conducts events like Young Explorer, where children make multidisciplinary models and exhibit. A Taluk level singing competition every year is held under the name Dasara Padagala Gayana Spardhe, where children across HD Kote and Sargur taluks participate. And we do take our children to theatre workshops, which are conducted by Natana and Rangayana in Mysore. We had teacher exchange program with US based school at USA. We have an opportunity for foreign students to do projects in our school. They do share their knowledge and skill to build the capacity of students and teachers. Our alumni are studying in IIT, IISc and medicine. In fact, one of our alumni is presently working as a science facilitator in our school. Every year we conduct alumni meet. We have initiated the process to monitor the entire school activities through school management software. As we mentioned in our goals, the school aspires to extend the quality education for higher grades, and also there are no such CBSE affiliated schools around HD Kote and Sargur taluks. Parents are willing to continue their wards at Viveka School of Excellence. Hence, we seek the permission to upgrade Viveka School of Excellence to senior secondary level.
Namaste. My name is Divya MC. I am working as a vice principal in this well-reputed organization. Viveka School of Excellence is a land of experiments. We do lots of experiments in teaching and learning process. We get a great support from community, management and parents. So I am proud to be a part of this well-reputed organization.
Namaste, I am Prarthana D and I am an BSc B.Ed graduate. I learned in the same school. Now I am working here as a science facilitator. I am very confident that this school will enhance my skills as well as my knowledge.
I hope you had a great vision of Viveka School of Excellence. We are more privileged to have you all in this inspection committee. We deem it a great pleasure to thank you all for your esteemed presence and viewing. Many thanks to you all. Thank you.